So we've got the reflector. It houses a 600 watt 400 volt lamp. You can see the reflector is adjustable just in case you need a wider footprint for your canopy. Here you've got a ventilation tube that you can use to connect to nanotubes or to extract air from the top of the lamp to prevent heat from building up and temperatures raising above the canopy. You'll notice the ballast comes with heat sink fins, dispersing the air, helping to keep the ballast cool. Here we've got an error display. If you consult the Dimlux manual, it will tell you what the error code relates to. We've got the screw down connection block used for wiring in Maxi controllers with speaker wire. You can do the same thing using Ethernet style cables, which are now included as standard with Dimlux fixtures. And you can daisy chain additional lights by cabling this fixture and out into the next one for up to 160 lights. Over here we've got the output selector that you can turn up and down, starting from the off position at 320 watts up to 390 watts, 460, 530, 600 watts, 660, and also a 720 watt mode. Most of the time this is going to be controlled by the Maxi controller, so just set it to 720 and let the Maxi controller do the rest. Most ballasts are vertically mounted, but this is horizontal. The main advantage of this is that it just takes up a lot less room. So instead of needing a 2.2 meter tent, you can get away with a 2 meter one instead. This is the Maxi controller. Connect this to your Dimlux fixture to unlock a host of new features. Instead of using contactors and timers to switch lights on and off, your lighting fixtures are powered continuously instead, and then instructed on when to switch on and at what output level via data cables. This is just the tip of the iceberg though, because the Maxi controller is capable of regulating practically every piece of equipment in your grow room. So in the box we've got the manual power supply and the Maxi controller itself, and you can see that it's got a nice clear blue LCD screen. You've got your connection block as well if you want to connect via speaker wire, and also traditional Ethernet style sockets if that's what you want to use, because all Dimlux fixtures now come with Ethernet style cables. And then you've got additional sockets for CO2 sensors and humidifiers, etc.